computing this is not Lancet, actually it's Sentinel Imagery. So I'm going to compute the NDVI. To compute NDVI, you have to first do some filtering. I'm here filtering. I'm importing S2, that is the Sentinel 2 imagery, and using dot filter bounds ROI. ROI means I'm filtering the only region of DOLPA. I have given the DOLPA is ROI, variable name. So I'm only filtering the DOLPA from whole region, and I'm filtering the date. I mean, I just need the imagery of 2023, January 1st to 2023, December 31, and I'm using the median composite in this analysis. As you know that the Sentinel have multiple bands. For example, you can see from here it has the band 1 to I think 12 band. So as you can see, the name of the band, the B1 is aerosol, it is blue, green, red. Red is 2, red is 3, and NIR. Just, for the NDVI, we need just two band, which is NIR, near infrared band, and red band. Both are in 10-meter resolution. So I'm just selecting the band. Red means image means this image. Dot select, we are selecting from this whole image. Band 4, which is red band, and band 8, which is our near infrared band. Actually this was from my previous analysis. So from Landsat, so it's showing band 5, but in case of Sentinel 2, it's actually band. Let me see, band 4 for red and band 8 for NIR. Okay, then the formula to compute NDVI is you must know that it's near infrared minus red divided by near infrared plus red. So we're using this formula. NDVI is equal to NIR dot subtract means minus NIR minus red divide NIR at red NIR plus red, and we're naming it as NDVI. So to visualize the NDVI, we are giving minimum of 0.5 and maximum of 0.8. As you know that the NDVI range from -1 to +1, and using palette, that is color blue. If the NDVI value is negative, it will show blue, and if the NDVI value is more towards +1, it will show green. So for now, I'm going to delete this. Now let's visualize this parameter, and let me click run. So it will take some time. And checking off this DOLPA region. So it is showing the value for whole region, but we just need for DOLPA region. So I'll do some clipping. For that, we'll do map.8 layer. So layer, the map of our layer is NDVI dot clip. We are clipping in ROI. We are clipping ROI. Then I'll add the visualization parameter. I think it's not properly set. Let me do that in another way. I'll just do that. Var biz is equal to k. Remove this, and I'll do give the name beach, and I'll give the name of this message NDVI. Let me run this now. Clipping DOLPA. It might take some time because of our internet speed. Just wait for a moment. Yes, here you can see that the lower bed of DOLPA region has more NDVI compared to the upper region because of the mountainous location location in DOLPA. It is covered by the higher mountains, and only the lower belt of the DOLPA region has some greenness or vegetation. So as you can see, we have given green color to the values which are closer to 1. That means there is the presence of vegetation or vegetation are healthy, and blue color for the lower value of the vegetation. So this is how we calculate NDVI. In Google Earth Engine, you don't need to download anything. You can complete everything in this platform, and you just need to export only the final result in your local machine. So to export, we are going to use export dot image, and I'll give to drive. So I'm going to export this final NDVI image in drive. So I'm giving this giving so name of my image is NDVI. So know that for description I'm going to give image of control path. Okay, the folder where I want to export my map is lalit underscore ge. I'm skipping this prefix. Okay, so for the reason I'm going to select RY, sorry, ROI scale, because we know that the resolution is 10 meter. So I'm going to select 10 CRS and skipping this. So max pixel I'm going to select 1 in 13, and that's it. Okay, so let's export this to our drive. It might take some time, and here in the task you can see yellow light is glowing. So here you can just click run. The task name is required. It may contain letter number and space. You don't you can't add space, so I'm just simply write control bar NDVI. The scale is 10 meter. Folder is lollyg, and I'll simply run this. So it might take some time based on your internet and your space and your area of interest, but you can download this and visualize it in your any visualization software like QGIS or ArcGIS. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.